been with the sliding door company for 15 years, and I'm the sales executive. And I'd love to show you around the showroom. Come with me. So here we have an entire hallway, a row of cubicles, freestanding cubicles. We could take any open space, warehouse, industrial space, and create as many offices as you'd like. Freestanding, open air space, floor to ceiling, different heights as you could see, and really create an awesome work environment for your employees where they're interactive, they could talk to one another, they could slide the panels for privacy and then slide them open when they want to interact with everybody or with other employees. And it brings in a lot of natural light, which is amazing, and we have different lock options, handle options, different variety of glass, so we could really take any space and bring your vision to life. We have standard in stock, custom, at no additional cost, just a longer lead time, but we could really cater to all of our clients' needs. Here's another really nice open space, open air concept where we could create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 freestanding offices in about 2 days, so we're in and out. We're really budget friendly. You could continue the work process, your workflow, and we could give you the privacy and cater to your needs when you're starting your business or relocating. And the good news is that if you ever decide to relocate, you could uninstall and reinstall our product in a new location, so it's smarter use of your money. So not only are we saving you money, but we're also saving on time and your productivity.